everyone, I'm Joshua Clement. How to install a switch-controlled light fixture. Most of the lights in your house are controlled by a switch that is located on the wall. The way this works is the power runs up to your switch and then runs from the switch to your light fixture. For this job, I'll be using a battery-powered drill with a Phillips tip bit, some electrical tape, wire nuts, and your fixture. The way this works is the power source runs into your switch and is cut by flipping on and off your switch. When the switch is on, the power runs through it and up the black wire and to your fixture. Here, you should have 3 wires, a black wire, a white wire, and just a solid copper wire. When you pull out your fixture, you'll have 3 wires, a copper wire, a black wire, and a white wire. What we're going to do is go ahead and color match those using the wire nuts. After that's done, we're going to take our electrical tape and tape up each wire nut. The reason we tape the wire nuts is to keep them from slipping and losing their connection, and to keep any bugs, dust, or debris from getting lodged into the wire nut and causing it to arc out. After that's done, we're going to take and push our wires into our box. Then we'll slip our fixture into place. It's important that you make sure that you take all the safety precautions when you're working with the electrical. First of all, make sure that the power is shut off at your electrical box. Second, make sure that you use wire nuts and don't just tape them together. And third, make sure that you tape your wire nuts, that way they don't arc across each other. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.